Well, this is spring fishing. Got the kayak out for the first time. It's been behind the shed, and there are squirrels in my kayak. So you can see, here's some of the nest. You can probably hear them moving, so I'm gonna try to catch them for you. Gotta relocate them. Then I'm going bass fishing today. There's more of the nest. Oh, that's why. Well, this used to be where I would keep all of my stuff that I completely ripped through it. And I see the one. This is going to be very tough to come out. If I put the net in there, there's one. Let's see. Got him. Stop. Okay. Oh, he's got some teeth on him. Look at that sharp little teeth. You can't be in my kayak. I'm not going to hurt you. But you can't be in my kayak. Wow. Sharp little teeth. Cute little guy, though. I'm not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt you. Don't bite me, though. No. Stop. Stop. I can feel his heart beating so fast. Alright, well, that's one. I'm going to go put him up in a tree. Stop. Stop. That will hurt if you bite me, so chill out. I got one in the bucket. Let's see how many there are. I'll show you what it looks like inside here. You can kind of see them back there. Alright, got the flashlight. Oh, there's a squirrel here on the camera. Got the flashlight and take the sweatshirt off. I'm sweating. This is way more exhausting than I thought it was going to be. Relax. If this thing bites me, I'm going to freak out. I'm getting a stick. I'm not touching that thing. This one's so aggressive compared to the other one. Look at how aggressive it is. See him? He just bit it. Where the other one did not. That's why I don't want to just grab this one. Look at that. Look at him. Come on. I don't want to hurt you. Alright, well, lost another layer because I'm starting to really sweat, and I think this will work the best. I can't seem to get him with the other stuff. And this one is way too aggressive to be just messing with my hand. I got him. Squirrel number 2. I'm not hurting him. I'm not squeezing him that hard, but he is aggressive compared to the first one. And they do have some sharp teeth. I mean, look at that tooth. Look at that. You want that going in your hand? No way. Cute, but man, seriously, look at that tooth. You know how bad that would hurt? All right. It's going in the bucket. It's okay. He's bigger. That's probably why he's more aggressive. Okay. Oh, there he is. He's right there. There's definitely 2 more in here. Because this one's moving, but I just heard something move. There's definitely a 4th. Unreal. Oh, all I wanted to do was go fishing today. Got another one. Okay. Number 3, you're calm. This one's cool looking. I like this one. He's not hussing and fussing. This is the perfect tool. These things are like the nice size of a hamburger. All right, you okay? Into the bucket. All right, got him. Oh, I lost him. Gotcha. Calm down. You're okay. Oh, see? Number 4. Look at those teeth. I take it over the teeth of these things. Stop. Stop. Okay. Well, that's a wrap. But you can see 4 baby squirrels. And the reason I got them in this bucket here and not just up in the tree is because they are a little too young to be off on their own. They're super close. If they were up in the tree, they would be just fine. But I don't want them to get dispersed. So what I'm going to do is I have them in this bucket, and you can see this was their nest. But the mom knows that the nest is there, and the mother is definitely still nursing them or checking up on them. So I'm going to put this bucket on the side of the shed there, and that way when she comes back in an hour, she's probably watching right now because she probably heard him screaming. That way she can move them, and they're not dispersed, so she can move them one by one. Whoa! I caught him. I was literally just gonna say that they can't climb out of this because it's too plasticky, but I guess this guy found his jumping legs. That was crazy. Unreal catch too. So without further ado, I'm gonna put this bucket on the side of the house, side of the shed there, and the mother will come back. I'm gonna go fishing, hopefully catch some really big bass today. And by the time I come back, I bet they will be all gone. So, pretty cool. Let's put them on the side of the shed. There you go, 1 hour later, and the bucket is completely moved and empty. Mother must have came and took them.